Please let me respectfully stand on all due and ADC protocols, but not without recognizing our national chairman and our own leader, distinguished Senator David Mark, our Secretary Obeni, thank you for that wonderful speech, and our leader, the former Vice President Atiku. They recognize all of the protocols. Mine is simple because we are told we have only 2 minutes, and I believe that our leaders have spoken very well. That all we need to do now is to come and say we have done what they've spoken, but at times when you hear that things are bad, you need to know, imagine it when it is in figures. So it is important. Mine is that to thank all our leaders and all of us that are here. We need to work as a united Nigeria for the sake of Nigeria. The country is so divided. We need unity. The present government have ensured that we will remain more divided. And unity is important. Your country is collapsing. And if you allow it to go further, it will be worse. If you check your indexes, today, when the present government came into being, Nigerian ranking in terrorism was number 8. Today we are number 4. So if you give another 4 years, we will be number 1. And that is definite. But when he told you about our poverty, when this government came into being, you go and check World Bank record, our poverty rate was 41.6%, and 8 million people. Today we are 63%, 140 million. So they've almost doubled now. When this government came into being, we removed subsidy on petroleum, and the reason why we removed it is so we can stop borrowing to service it and use the resources to develop the country. But today, when they came in, despite the fact that the government before them were able to pay subsidy, they left with a debt of 87 trillion. Today, we are about 200 trillion. So they borrowed 130%. That's not removing subsidy. And worse, this government is owing all contractors. No project of 2025 budget have been funded. So we have huge debt and we have borrowed more and everything. We are heading to a disaster. The reason why I use these short figures is to show you we are drifting. We all have to work hard. We all have to do whatever is possible. Anarchy consumes everybody. We must not sacrifice for the sake of our children. If we don't do anything, what is happening now will take a revenge on us and our children. God bless all of you.